If you have a plus sign in front of parentheses, yep, brand new, I just printed it off. If you have a plus sign in front of parentheses, you don't have to worry about it. You can just drop parentheses, right? Right? Of course. And then number one, I've got 4a minus 5 plus 3a plus 6. Okay. Now, all we have to do is what? Yeah, add or combine the like terms. So I have a 4a and a plus 3a. What does that give me? 7a. And I have minus 5 and plus 6. What does that give me? 1, plus 1, right? All right, so number 2, just drop the parentheses. I get 6x plus 9 plus 4x squared minus 7. Okay, can I combine any like terms here? Yeah, the minus 7 and the plus 9, right? Now, don't forget, Gabby, don't forget to put this in standard form from highest degree to lowest degree. So what's my highest degree here? Okay, and then combine the plus 9 and minus 7. Plus 2. And number 3, again, I have a plus sign between the parentheses, so I'm just going to drop the parentheses. So I have 6xy, Julian, and plus 6y, so plus 4xy minus x. And what are my like terms? Okay, put it in standard form. What's my highest degree here? Yeah, the 6xy and the 4xy, which is 10xy. Remember, we count the degrees of the variables for the highest degree, right? So that 1 plus 1 is 2 degrees. Let's see. You can either put the y's or the x's in x. It doesn't matter. Plus 2y, 6x minus 1x, 5x, and I got them all right. And what about subtracting? What do I have to do with the minus sign in front of parentheses? Distribute. Who said that? Good. Distribute the minus sign to both terms. Ariana. So I have 3a minus 5 minus 5a, and that negative 1 times a positive 1, negative 1. Combine our like terms. We have a 3a and a minus 5a. Gives me minus 2a. Negative 5 and a negative 1. Negative 6. Good. No, I'm just doing the next two and that's it. You guys can do the rest. I might do number 21. Number 5. I do not have any sign, or I have a positive sign in front of the first quantity. So I'm just going to drop the parentheses. I have a negative sign in front of the second set, so I have to distribute. Negative 1 times negative 3x squared, positive 3x squared. Negative 1 times negative 5, positive 5. Okay, put it in standard form. It's my first, what's the highest term here? 3x squared, right? The next one, the 9x. And then I can combine two of them, right? Positive 2 and the positive 5. Positive 7. Is that a sneeze? Cough? No, sounded like. Okay, number 6. First quantity, I have a plus in front of it, so just drop the parentheses. 9xy plus y minus 2x. Second set, I have a minus 1 in front of there, so I have to distribute. Minus 1 times positive 6xy is a minus 6xy. Negative 1 times negative 2x, positive 2x. Okay, let's circle the ones we have to combine. 9xy, negative 6xy. Then we have a negative 2x and a positive. What happens with my x's? Hey, stop! Enough. Marcus, don't throw things across the room. Come on, knock it off, guys. Guys, listen to me. Look up here. You're 15, 16, 17 years old. Act like it. Come on. All right, 9x squared minus 6x. I'm sorry, 9xy minus 6xy, 3xy. That's my highest degree, right? I have a negative 2x and a positive 2x cancel out, right? And then I've just got a plus y. Did I give you enough examples to do it on your own? Let's do the one on the word problem on the back. 21, where it says the measures of two sides of a triangle are given. So we're given 3x plus 4y and 5x minus y. If P is the perimeter, how do we find perimeter? Add up all the sides, right? If P is the perimeter and P equals 10x plus 5y, find the measure of the third side. So we have to find the measure of this side. What do you want to call it? I can't use x because they've got x here. Z, you want to call it Z? Okay, so we'll call the third 5 Z. Okay, so my perimeter, like I said, the formula says for perimeter is add up all the sides. Okay, what's my perimeter again? 10x plus 5y, right? So my P is 10x plus 5y equals, I'm sorry, 5x or 3x plus 4y. Here's my perimeter. Okay. Here's my one side, 3x plus 4y plus 5x minus y, and then plus z. And it says find the measure of the third side. So we have to isolate z, right? We got to get z by itself. So we can either combine like terms on one side, or we can start just bringing them over separately. I'm going to combine the like terms first. Okay, I've got 3x, 5x gives me 8x. 4y minus y, 3y. And then we have the plus z. All right, now I'm going to start bringing them over. Again, remember, we're trying to get the z by itself, right? So I'm going to subtract 8x from both sides. Okay, 10x minus 8x. Bring down plus 5y equals, this equals to 0. Bring down the 3y and the plus z. Okay, almost there. I'm going to subtract the 3y. That'll give me what the third side is equal to. Be careful, make sure you subtract it from the right term. So I get my 2x equals my third side z. Oh, you're right. 5y minus 3y is 2y. That equals my third side. Okay. What do you want to do, the odds or the evens? You've got 7 through 20, same amount. Do the odds this time? Okay, do the odds. So practice work. Um, 7 through 20 odds. You should get quite a bit of this done. Why do you guys irritate people? Come on.